Do you often wake up with a swollen face or puffy eyes? It might be more than just a bad night's sleep. Surprisingly, your diet could be the underlying cause. Today, we'll explore the real reasons behind facial puffiness and how tweaking your diet can make a huge difference. Our bodies primarily use two types of fuel, glucose and fat. Glucose stores in the body as glycogen and fat as adipose tissue. Here's where it gets interesting. Glucose storage is incredibly limited compared to fat storage, which has virtually no limits. Why does the body limit glucose storage? It's because glucose is highly hydrated. To store glucose, the body requires a lot of water, which takes up space. So, the body converts excess glucose into fat, bringing along extra fluid. This water retention often appears as puffiness and swelling, especially around the eyes. It's a common yet often overlooked reason for facial swelling. The solution? By reducing excess glucose in your diet, you can decrease the swelling. Our bodies need minimal sugar, which can be produced from proteins and fats. You don't need to consume sugar to maintain blood sugar levels. Cutting sugar intake encourages your body to burn fat, producing ketones. This shift reduces water retention, making your face look less swollen and your eyes less puffy. Plus, it promotes better health and can support weight loss. In short, reducing excess glucose not only helps with swelling but also sets you up for long-term health benefits. Start by making gradual dietary changes and see the positive impact on your body. Remember, cutting excess glucose can lead to less swelling and improved health. It's a win-win situation. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Healthy Secrets for more health tips backed by science.